How to add widgets to your lock screen on your iPhone 16 Pro Max. So first of all, open lock screen. Now tap and hold on an empty space on your lock screen and then enter your lock screen pin, password or pattern, and after that it will take you to the lock screen editor. Now tap on customize and then select lock screen and then tap on this widgets section. So by default there will be no widget and it will look like this. So tap on add widgets, and from here you can add different types of widgets like weather widget, stocks widget, health widget. You can add any widget from these options. So if you want to add a health widget, then tap on health, and from here select the health widget that you want to add. So here I'm going to choose this widget and then that widget will be added, and you can add more than one widget. So from here I'm going to choose weather, and then from here choose the weather widget that you want to use, and after that widget will be added. Now I have option to add another widget, so now I'm going to choose the calendar widget. So tap on calendar and then select the widget, and after adding widgets tap on done to save changes, and then the widgets will be added to the lock screen. So that's how you can add widgets to your lock screen on your iPhone 16 Pro Max. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.